What's up, Minitruck?
See, there's a clutch right there.
Oh, shit, that's it?
Yeah.
Boy, small.
Minitruck. Washy washy. All clean. Let's check the oil. Coming due. Oh yeah. Didn't even burn a drop, Minnie. That's a good girl. I gotta fix the horn.
Let me ask you a question. Do I make you horny, baby? Do I make you randy?
Weird. This is acting fluky lately. I wonder if it's something with a ground on the battery or something. Oh, there's something that didn't get plugged. Huh, I wonder what that was for. Huh, I don't know, wasn't plugged in. Just try out your new camera, Minitruck. Want to do some exploring, Minitruck? Me too. Minnie the Explorer. Are you gonna be able to make this up again, Minnie? If not, you're gonna be winching. You know that. Come on, Minnie, you can make it. Uh-oh, Minnie. Looks like we might be winching. Hell no. Yeah, Minnie. I guess it did have a little ice underneath, huh? Good girl. Well, that was fun. How many? We have to do some more of that. Liked you, Minnie. Good mini truck. Yeah.
I wonder what it is.
Yeah. Got me
Offices
something?
in North Carolina?
We got offices all over. Minnie's famous. Ooh. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That's pretty good.
Nice.
That's
Put it on, Day. I'll take your picture.
They did a really good job.
The day's looking new and bright. The day starts like it should. The best part of waking up
Is Minitruck on your cup?
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want notifications on new videos. I have links for all of the products I use in the description and on motorcheese.com. Thanks for watching.